Hey y'all, we're out in the garage. Brother Rich doing some welding. We got enough parts and pieces hooked up for him to go ahead and come over and weld some stuff up. Brother Rich, what it is?
Welding.
Yep, he's going to town. We're getting the those brackets and stuff welded on the back that hold that rear assembly on. We're also going to use that to hold the bumper on, if in fact we end up taking that rear assembly off to go with a two-stroke or whatever. Already been working on the stubs for the seat struts here. He's already welded a bunch of seat strut stuff together for us this morning. So yeah, we're just playing along. We'll bring you some more hot welding action from Racing Roseville.
Anti-China virus.
Oh yeah, and we're building go-karts.
We're making go-karts at Racing Roseville.
We'll talk to y'all in a bit.